Today we are going to be going through how to submit a Google Doc, sheet, or slides back to an assignment to your teacher inside of Canvas. The first thing I'm going to do is log into Canvas and I'm going to go into my class. From here, I'm going to navigate to where my teacher puts my assignments. For this one, I'm going to go to the Assignments tab. Today, I'm going to be completing the Practice Google assignment. I'm going to click on the assignment, and there I will find the directions from my teacher. Typically, if your teacher's assigning a Google Doc or slides to be completed for an assignment, you'll see a blue hyperlink inside of the instructions. I'm going to click the blue hyperlink in order to make a copy of this slides or doc. When this screen appears, go ahead and click Make a Copy. What this does is it creates an exact copy of the assignment your teacher wishes you to complete inside of your Google Drive. The first thing I'm going to do is in the upper left-hand corner, I'm going to put my name in the title. This way, when my teacher looks at my assignment, she'll know it's from me. The next thing I'm going to do is complete my assignment. Once I'm finished and made all the changes I need to make, I can go back to Canvas. You'll see a blue button in the upper right-hand corner that says Submit Assignment. Click there. Go to the tab that says Google Drive. If you've never linked your Google Drive to Canvas, you'll want to do so now. Click the Authorize button to allow Google Drive to be accessed within Canvas. Once authorized, now I can look through my Google Drive and select the document I wish to submit. I'm going to go ahead and pick the document with my name. Once selected, a link button will appear at the bottom. Click Link. I have now linked my document from Google Drive directly to the assignment within Canvas. Once you are finished, click Submit Assignment. You've just now submitted your assignment to your teacher from Google Drive. If you have any questions, please reach out to your teacher for assistance.